Hello children, let us continue the exercise of lesson number 14, how big, how heavy. It is from your practice work. It is given on page number 88, question number 7. The first one is given, if the weight of one book is 125 gram, then what is the total weight of 8 such books? It is very simple children. Simply you have to multiply 125 by 8 and you will get the answer. So this one is your homework. So let us continue. Question number 2. The weight of a watermelon is 3.5 kg and the weight of a pineapple is 2.5 kg. What is the total weight of 2 such watermelons and 2 such pineapples? So first of all children, you will have to find out weight of 2 watermelons and weight of 2 pineapples, and then after have to find out the total weight. Fine children, let us solve. So here weight of 1 watermelon is given 3.5 kg. So weight of 2 watermelon is equal to 3.5 multiplied by 2. So we get 7 kg. Same way weight of 1 pineapple is given 2.5 kg. So we have to find out weight of 2 pineapple, that is 2.5 multiplied by 2. So answer is 5 kg. Now we have to find out the total weight. Okay. So weight of watermelon is 7 kg. Weight of pineapple is 5 kg. Do total, that means total weight is equal to 12 kg. Is it clear children? Let us move to the next sum. Sum number 3 is your homework. A box of sweet has a weight of 3.2 kg. What is the weight of 5 such boxes? Simply have to multiply 3.2 by 5 and you will get the answer. But children, don't forget to write proper steps. Now the next sum is sum number 4. There are 9 kg of biscuits in one box. If 900 gram of biscuits are taken from it for breakfast every morning, then what will be the weight of biscuits left in the box after 1 week? So first of all we have to mention that biscuits in one box is equal to 9 kg. Now children, one biscuit weight is 9 gram. So both the unit must be same. So first of all 9 kilogram we have to convert into gram. So 9 multiplied by 1000, it will be 9000 grams. So in one box 9000 gram biscuits are there. Biscuits taken every day, how much grams biscuit are taken out? 900 grams. Biscuits taken in 1 week. So we have to find out for 1 week. Okay, so in 1 week how much biscuits are used? So 900 multiplied by 7. So answer is 6300 grams. So 6300 gram biscuits are used up in 1 week. But what we have to find out? That from 9 kg how much biscuit is left, that we have to find out. So here simply we have to do subtraction from total biscuits and used biscuit. Fine. So total weight of biscuit is 9000 gram. Biscuit taken in a week, that means used, that is 6300 grams. So left over is 2700 gram, or if we convert into kilogram and gram, it will be 2 kilogram and 700 grams. So biscuits left 2 kilogram 700 grams. I think it is clear. Let us move to the next sum. Now sum number 5 is given. The weight of one coin of rupees 1 is 4 gram. Weight of one coin of rupees 2 is 6 gram. And the weight of one coin of rupees 5 is 9 grams. What is the total weight of 3 coins of all the 3 types? So first of all we have to see that one coin की का weight हमें दिया है, but we have to find out weight of 3 coins each. 1 रुपये का 3 coin, 2 रुपये का 3 coin और 5 रुपये का 3 coin. तीनों की पहले तो हमें वेट करना है, and then after we have to find out total weight. Fine, let us do. So first of all we have to find out rupees 1 coin. That means rupee 1 coin weight is 4 gram. So for 3 coins of rupee 1 is equal to 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12 gram. Same way rupees 2 coin is 6 grams and 3 coin for rupees 2 is 6 multiplied by 3, that means 18 grams. Now for rupees 5 it is 9 gram weight. So for 3 coins of 5 rupees, that is 9 multiplied by 3, that means 27 grams. So 3 weight we got, that is 12 grams, 18 grams and 27 grams. Now simply what we have to do? Simply have to add all these 3. Weight of 1 rupee coin 12, weight of 2 rupees coin 18 gram, weight of 5 rupees coin, that is 27 gram, and total is 57 grams. Now for question number 6, the weight of a female dog is 6 times the weight of its puppy. If the weight of the puppy is 3.5 kg, then what is the weight of the female dog? Female dog का weight पपी से 6 टाइम्स ज़्यादा है. सो सिंपली हमें क्या करना है? पपी के वेट को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो वी विल गेट वेट ऑफ फीमेल डॉग. लेट अस डू इट. सो हियर इट इज़. weight of the puppy is 3.5 kg. weight of the female dog is 6 times the weight of puppy. So that weight of female dog is equal to 3.5 multiplied by 6. So answer is 21 kg. So female dog weight is 21 kg. Question number 7 is your homework, children. Let us move to lesson question number 8. So question number 8 is there. The weight of any object on the moon is 1/6 times its weight on the earth. Means अर्थ पे जितना वेट किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का होगा उससे 1/6 टाइम मतलब 6 टाइम्स कम वेट होगा उसका मून पे. इफ़ द वेट ऑफ एन एस्ट्रोनॉट इज 78 kg ऑन द अर्थ, देन व्हाट विल बी हिज वेट ऑन द मून. सो ऑब्वियसली 6 से हमें इसे डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि 6 टाइम्स कम है, लेस वेट है. फाइन. सो लेट अस सॉल्व. So weight of an astronaut is 78 kg. Weight on moon is 1/6 times of weight. So weight of an astronaut on moon is 78 divided by 6. So answer is 13 kg. Question number 9 is your homework. Let us move to question number 10. Question is given: 2 tables each having a weight of 5 kg. 2 chairs each having a weight of 10.5 kg. 2 cupboards each having weight of 45.5 kg are there in a camel cart. How much total weight is there in the camel cart? So here it is, children. टेबल्स दिए हैं. कितने टेबल्स दिए हैं? 2 टेबल्स आर देयर. एक टेबल का कितना वेट है? 5 kg. सो 5 kg पर टेबल. सो हमें 2 टेबल्स का वेट फाइंड आउट करना है. सेम में 2 चेयर्स का वेट भी हमें फाइंड करना है, लेकिन एक चेयर का वेट कितना है? 10.5 kg. सेम वे 2 कपबोर्ड्स का वेट फाइंड करना है जिसमें हर एक कपबोर्ड का वेट है 45.5 kg. तो हमें इन तीनों का वेट पहले तो फाइंड करना है एंड देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू डू एडिशन. सो वी विल गेट टोटल वेट. So weight of 1 table is equal to 5 kg. So weight of 2 tables is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. So 10 kg. Similarly, weight of 1 chair is equal to 10.5 kg. So weight of 2 chairs, that is 10.5 multiplied by 2. So answer is 21 kg. Weight of 1 cupboard is 45.5 kg. So weight of 2 cupboards is equal to 45.5 multiplied by 2. So 91 kg. Now all these 3 weight, now we get 10, 21 and 91 kg. Fine. So अब इन तीनों का एडिशन करेंगे. weight of tables is equal to 10 kg. weight of chairs is equal to 21 kg and weight of cupboards is equal to 91 kg. So total is 122 kg weight is there in a camel cart. So now the question number 7 is completed. Children, In next video we will solve question number 8. Till then, bye bye.